All right. So it seems that most of you are already here. So you guys can share your screen now, and then you may start now whenever you are ready.
Sir, naka-disable po yung
Ay,
share screen.
okay na.
Hello, hello, hello. Dun na tayo sa Red Hat software integration. Red Hat gives cloud customers access to tools including OpenShift, Ansible, and JBoss, providing them with more choices and flexibility. And the second reason is IBM Cloud Service large-scale clients. Some of the biggest enterprises use IBM Clouds, and not just because it's able to store large amounts of data. The tools provided in the cloud suites allows businesses to solve truly unique problems in their industry. And there simply isn't another product out there like it. Here are just a few examples. American Airplanes. Uh, American Air, Airlines was able to improve customer satisfaction by introducing dynamic rebooking. And another one example is Bitly was ready to take their success to the next level and start introducing new products. Um, the last reason is the IBM Cloud offers flexibility. One of the biggest draws to the IBM Cloud is how flexible it is. As business need arise, companies can scale up to more features and vice versa. Additionally, IBM makes it simple to act on internal changes without having to wait out license expirations. Whether you're running a small startup or a Fortune 500 corporation. Next slide. IBM Cloud can help you with the following. The first is modernize existing applications. Next, build and scale cloud native applications. Migrate existing on-premises workloads to the cloud. Speed software and service delivery with DevOps. Next, integrate applications and data across multiple clouds. Accelerate your journey to artificial intelligence. Leverage 5G and edge computing. The next slides can help you with the following. IBM Cloud has it all for building modern application, has more than 190 unique services, support PaaS, SaaS, eSaaS. IBM provides open source based services for Java applications and others. Most services are open source that help developers to able to code infrastructures. And last, the IBM Cloud is the cloud for enterprises. Next is IBM Cloud payment methods with the following accounts type.
Okay, so hmm. So nabasa niyo naman siguro. I don't know what is the problem with his mic right now. But kasi parang ang mangyari kasi niyan, parang hindi ka nakapag-report. Mm, Alright, so ipasa mo na lang siguro sa groupmates mo yung part na ire-report mo. Since we cannot do anything about it anymore. Okay, sige.
Dun sa IBM Cloud Payment Methods with the following accounts, merong tayong 5 types. The first is light account. Second, pay as you go. Third, subscription type account. Pay go with committed use billing model. And apat lang pala. The first one, light account. Light accounts provide free access to over 40 services including IBM Watson app. Check off the following list of the key features that are available in a light account. The first one, the account is free, no credit card required. The account never expires. You can use one org in one IBM cloud region. You receive email notifications about your account status and quota limits. Your cloud Foundry apps access up to 256 MB of free instances runtime memory per month. You can provision one instance of any service in the IBM Cloud catalog that has a light plan. After 10 days of no development activity, your apps go to sleep. You can wake up your apps by continuing to work on them. After 30 days of no development activity, your service instances with light plans are deleted. The next slides, the second type, pay as you go. You can access the full IBM Cloud catalog, including all free plans. You pay only for billable services that you use with no long-term contracts or commitments. When you upgrade to a pay-as-you-go account, you receive a $200 credit to get you started. And last, your charges are based on your use of IBM Cloud computing services. If you use more than the free runtime and services allowance, you receive a monthly invoice that provides detail about your resource charges. And the third type, subscription type account. Offer many of the
Excuse me?
same.
So sorry, sir. May sira yung mic ko, sir.
So it's
Ko
okay
lang
now.
po
We
yung
can hear
sinasabi
you now.
niyo.
So
Sige, sir. So third,
okay.
yes, sir.
You can start now.
So the third type of account is the subscription type account. This kind of account offer many of the same benefits as pay-as-you-go account, including access to the full IBM cloud catalog and the ability to create multiple resource groups. In addition, subscription accounts provide discounts for platform services and support and more consistent billing through subscription. When you purchase a subscription, you commit to a minimum spending amount for a certain period of time and receive a discount on the overall cost. The larger the subscription, the better the discount. So the last type of account is the pay-go with committed use of billing model. IBM Cloud customers can sign up for the pay-as-you-go with committed use of billing model. With this billing model, you commit to spend a certain amount on IBM Cloud and you receive certain discounts across the platform. You are billed monthly based on your usage and you continue to receive discount even after you reach your committed amount. So to conclude our meron pa pala yung comparison of accounts. So as you can see here, next. So dito na din po yung differences of accounts. As you can see sa light account is halos lahat is wala kanya. For the pro account, access to live services, access to all free plans, access to the full IBM Cloud catalog, access to multiple cloud foundry regions. Pero wala siya sa guaranteed zero cost and discounted pricing. But meron din po for fit for production use cases. It is not available for enterprise account hierarchy. Available for invoice on monthly consumption but no overages. Subscription type account similar with pay-as-you-go pero meron na siyang discounted pricing and available for enterprise account hierarchy. For the pay-go with committed use billing model, all of it is available for the account except for guaranteed zero cost. Now to conclude our presentation, what makes it different from other cloud services, for example, us, Google Cloud, and Alibaba is that IBM versus House offers 6 bare metal configurations and IBM offers hundreds. IBM versus Google Cloud, Google Cloud can offer both bare metal and virtual servers like IBM. As for the Alibaba, IBM offers features, services, and products that Alibaba doesn't. That concludes our presentation, sir.
Okay, so very good. All right. So in my case, it seems that you guys were able to explain everything well. So what about the others? Do you guys have a question with the reporters? Hmm. Okay, so I guess they don't have a question. So we may now proceed to the next one. All right. So before we continue the next discussion, so there is an emergency. So we will only have part two, okay, for today. So whatever group reporters we can finish until the 5 o'clock, and that's already it. So we'll just continue the rest on this coming Friday. Okay, so we can have up to uh 6 o'clock maybe. Okay, we can have 3 hours or 2 hours and 30 minutes to finish the remaining groups next meeting. Okay, so for the next reporter, hmm, so Digitalocean, are you guys here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys complete?
Yes, sir.
So for the
I'm
Digitalocean, we have three members. We have Miss Anchales, Miss Kongo, and Mr. Lucero. Okay, so you guys may start now whenever you guys are ready. Digitalocean.
Good afternoon, everyone. We will report about Digitalocean. I will state the mission of Digitalocean first. The mission of Digitalocean is to simplify cloud computing so developers and businesses can spend more time creating software that changes the world. What is DigitalOcean? DigitalOcean is a cloud infrastructure solution designed to make web infrastructure easier for developers. Each plan is reasonably priced and feature-rich, as well as simple to set up. DigitalOcean thrives as a simple cloud hosting solutions provider by providing very basic services such as cloud VPS and DNS management. Unlike many of its competitors, it does not offer load balancing, hosted databases, or Hadoop clusters. Many businesses find DigitalOcean's hosting plans to be a great partner to their success, thanks to its low-priced products and high-performance virtual machines that grow with your business. DigitalOcean is a cloud computing vendor that provides software developers with an infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, platform. DigitalOcean, which competes with Amazon Web Services and Google Compute Engine, is very popular among open source developers. The history of DigitalOcean. Founders: Ben Uretsky, Mitch Weiner, Jeff Carr, Moisey Uretsky, and Alec Hartman. In 2003, the founders of ServerStack, which is Ben and Moisey, wanted to create a new product that combined web hosting and virtual servers. On June 24, 2011, DigitalOcean was founded. In 2012, Mitch Weiner joined the founding team. The company launched its beta product. DigitalOcean was accepted into Techstars 2012 Startup Accelerator in Boulder, Colorado. In 2013, the DigitalOcean was one of the first cloud hosting providers to provide SSD-based virtual machines. DigitalOcean opened its first European data center located in Amsterdam. In 2014 to 2016, DigitalOcean opened new data centers in Singapore, London, Toronto, Canada, Germany, and India. In 2018, the company announced New Droplet, which is a virtual machine. The company also announced the launch of its Kubernetes-based container service. The features and services of DigitalOcean: solid-state drives or SSD, DNS management, 99.99% uptime SLA, team accounts, easily scaling through versatile API, Tier 1 bandwidth, simple control panel, global image transfer, private networking, floating IPS, multiple data center locations, 55-second provisioning, KVM virtualization, and powerful hex core machines. The technical details of DigitalOcean: device supported: Windows, Mac, and web-based. Language support: English. Deployment: cloud-hosted and open API. Pricing model: monthly payment. Customer types: small businesses, large enterprises, medium businesses, and freelancers. The products: the compute products of DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean offers flexible server configurations sized for any application, industry-leading price-to-performance ratios, and consistent pricing across regions and usage volumes. The first compute product is Droplets, a Linux virtual machine that can be accessed on demand. Choose between shared CPU and dedicated CPU plans, each with variable RAM, locally attached SSD storage, and generous transfer quotas. Next is the Kubernetes, a simple-to-use managed Kubernetes service that guarantees uptime, scalability, and portability for your cloud-native apps. It is included free in the control plane. App Platform. Use a simple, fully managed solution to quickly build, deploy, and scale apps. The company handles the infrastructure, upfront times, and dependencies, allowing you to concentrate on your code. Storage. Easily store and access any amount of data in the cloud, depending on your needs. DigitalOcean provides a variety of storage options. Spaces object storage. Store and scale massive amounts of data without being constrained by compute server storage limits.
Um, under under storage is Spaces Content Delivery Network. So Space Content Delivery Network is a built-in content delivery network close to end user. You can quickly deliver data from Spaces. Next, volume block storage. Volume block storage, you use this so that you can add storage to your compute server as needed. Local SSD. So in local SSD means is that local SSD means local solid state disk. You can perform local. It is used so that you can perform data operations quickly. Next, networking. With your own private network, traffic filtering and load balancing, you can secure and control traffic to your application. In the networking. Under networking is cloud firewalls. So cloud firewalls filter out unwanted traffic to protect your application. Filtering happens when before and upstream of your server infrastructure. Next, load balancers. Load balancer scales application more easily by utilizing a highly available load balancing service that routes users to available resources. Next. Still under storage is virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud increases the security of your application by creating your own private network, which restricts traffic to resources provisioned on the same account. Floating IPs. Floating IPs boosts your availability by easily routing incoming traffic across your server infrastructure. DNS, domain name system. This makes reliable resolution possible. Next. Under databases, databases combine the power of our core VM platform with fully managed MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis databases to provide your application with the performance it requires without the operational demands of building and running your own database server. Developer tools. Developer tools programmatically manages resources and integrates across the developer ecosystem. Under API, under development tools are API, client libraries, and CLI. Under API uses the RESTful API. You can manage your so that you can manage your DigitalOcean infrastructure. In the client libraries, the library collection enables you to use the company's API in a variety of programming languages. And in CLI, using the open source command line, you can manage your DigitalOcean infrastructure from your terminal. Next. Terraform provider considers your DigitalOcean infrastructure to be code. GitHub Actions automates DigitalOcean infrastructure in response to GitHub activity. And in custom images, it's used to build your cloud environment quickly by provisioning servers with your own custom image or selecting from a variety of Linux distributions. Next. Container registry stores, manage, and protect private container images with ease. Management tools, monitoring. Management tools monitors and manage both your software and your team. So in monitoring, with built-in monitoring and alerting, you can keep track of application and infrastructure resource usage. Next. Projects. Project sorts your resources into groups that correspond to how you work. Teams collaborate with others to manage and scale infrastructure while avoiding the sharing of credentials. Next. So basic droplets, ito, like in the picture. You can balance your virtual machine with enough memory to host and scale application such as blogs, web apps, testing, and staging environment in memory coaching and database. Okay, next. Anchales.
General purpose droplets. Virtual machines with a good memory to thread ratio and dedicated compute hyperthreads from best-in-class processor. Designed to support a wide range of mainstream or production workloads such as web application, hosting, e-commerce sites, medium-sized databases, and enterprises applications. In the picture, we can see the first option for general purposes is $60 per month. Next. CPU optimized droplets. Virtual machine with dedicated hyperthreads from best-in-class Intel CPUs for workloads that rely on CPU more than RAM. CPU-intensive applications such as CI or CD, video encoding, machine learning, ad serving, batch processing, and active front-end web servers are created for. And this is the price for the CPU optimized droplets. Memory optimized droplets. This is the highest memory droplet with 100% dedicated vCPU and 8 GB of memory for each vCPU. These droplets are designed for RAM-heavy applications such as high-performance databases and real-time big data processing. And this is also the price for the CPU optimized droplets. Storage optimized droplets. Virtual machine with a lot of NVMe SSD storage and 8 GB of RAM per dedicated vCPU designed for extremely large NoSQL databases such as MongoDB, Elasticsearch, and Timescale DB, analytic system, and data warehouses. And also, this is the pricing for storage optimized droplets. In payment method, they are currently accepting payments via credit and debit cards as primary payment method. And also, they accept PayPal as pre-payment method, but it cannot be used as your primary payment method. And the speed is 268 ms from April 2020 to March 2021. Advantages: allows you to use the same account to create multiple server instances, provides high performance servers. It is simple to set up and works with a variety of operating systems. DigitalOcean is an excellent choice for those who offer managed hosting services for web applications or websites in shared environments. Excellent resource for tech-savvy startup. It is based on the what you see is what you pay principle. Management interface that is simple to use. Pricing is both reasonable and scalable. It provides well-documented FAQs and tutorials. And the disadvantages is for advanced users, lacks basic features other consumer host provides, limit customer support, complicated cPanel, pricing is complicated, needs more products, and the documentation doesn't get updated very frequently and errors and bugs were not addressed properly. And this is our reference.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so time check. We now only have 3 minutes remaining left. So it's already 4:50, 4:51. So we can have another group to report one more topic or one more cloud provider. So we'll just continue the others on this coming Friday. Okay, and for the last reporter, I don't have a question so far. Well, in my case, I always uh, go into the products and services that they are offering. Okay, and then what are their advantage with the others, or the edge of their products over the others, and they were able to include that in their PowerPoint, so it's already good to me. Okay, but what about the others? Do you guys have a question so far regarding with the group 13, DigitalOcean?
None, sir.
Okay, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, then good luck, okay, to those who haven't reported yet. So please polish your reports, make it as perfect as possible. And possible medyo bilisan. Okay? So it's okay if you will skip some as long as you were able to hit the important words or explanation in uh, some slides. Hindi yung binabasa nyo lahat kasi isasubmit nyo naman yung PowerPoint presentation, so pwedeng basahin na lang ulit kapag may gustong balikan. Okay, para hindi kasi pag binabasa lang wala eh. Dapat more on explanation tayo. Keyword tapos explanation. Okay? So maybe short description and then more on explanation. Okay? Not more on reading your PowerPoint presentation. Okay? So those are my only comments. Practice lang. Okay? So matututo din kayo kung paano kayo mag-report soon. Ang sa akin lang, basta na-explain nyo ng maayos, kahit 5 minutes pa yan, bibigyan ko kayo ng perfect score. Okay. So, yun yung principle ko sa pagre-report. So, hindi porket sobrang dami, hindi porket sobrang ganito, ganyan. So, as long as precise and short and easy to understand, then that's already a good presentation to me. Okay? But anyway, so goodbye and thank you guys for coming. And if ever that you guys have a question, so feel free to message me via Canvas or via Facebook. Okay. Okay, so you guys may now go.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
and thank you. Okay, thank you too.